Good morning to all. Let us revise the chapter Trigonometric Ratio of Standard Angle. Chapter number 20. Chapter number Trigonometric Ratio of Standard Angle. Chapter 20. Just for revision, I am doing some short type question. Exercise 20. Just to see. Trigonometric ratio of standard angle. This is a multiple choice question. Let me explain one by one. There are 6 questions are there. Total 6 questions I am doing one by one. Though these are tick type question, you have to choose the select correct one. But how to solve this one? Just to see. The first question given, tan A is equal to root 3 and tan B is equal to root 3. Sorry, tan A equal to 1 by root 3 and tan B is equal to root 3. Then find the value of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Before that, you have to find out the value of A and B respectively. Just see. First of all, write what is given here. First, to copy the question. Number one, it is given tan A is equal to 1 by root 3 and tan B is equal to root 3. This is the question given. And to find the value of sin A cos B plus cos A into sin B. How to find out? Now, tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. That means tan A equal to how much? Tan A is equal to tan 30 degree, because tan 30 1 by root 3. So this implies A will be how much? 30 degree. A you are getting 30 degree. Same process. Tan B is equal to root 3. Tan B means tan how much root 3? That means tan 60 root 3. So this implies B is equal to 60 degree. After finding the value of A and B, then put there. Therefore, you have to find out sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Sin how much A? Sin 30 into cos 60 degree plus cos 30 into sin B, sin 60. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 also 1 by 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2. Finally, getting 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 by 4. LCM is how much? 4. Then this will be 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4 by 4 means 1. So what is the answer? Answer coming 1. So which is the correct option? There are 4 options are given. The answer is B part. Okay. The answer is B part. Therefore answer, that is B option. Okay. Let us go next number 2. What is given number 2? Just to see. If sin B is equal to 1 by 2, then find the value of 3 cos B minus 4 cos square B. Just to sin B is equal to 1 by 2. What is given? Sin B is equal to 1 by 2. So this implies B will be how much? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. B will be 30 degree. And to find 3 cos B minus 4 cos cube B. Now put the value of cos B, that is cos B cos 30 degree minus 4 cos cube B 30 degree. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2 minus 4. Here cos 30 also root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole cube. Finally getting 3 root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Root 3 whole cube will be how much? 3 root 3. 3 is, and this will be 4 into 3 root 3 by 2 cube means 8. Means 4 to the 8. 3 root 3 by 2. So what is the answer coming? 3 root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2, which is equal to 0. Therefore, the answer is 3 cos B minus 4 cos Q. Answer coming 0. Okay, let us go next, number 3. Question number 3, it is given if cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 0, then find the value of theta. What is given? Cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 0. Just to see. Your given part, that is cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 0. So this implies cos theta is equal to sin theta. If you divide cos theta, that will be tan theta. Sin by cos tan. That means tan theta means tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 is equal to tan theta. Therefore, theta is equal to 45 degree. So what is the answer? The answer is theta is equal to 45 degree. In this one, number 3 also completed. Question number 4. Let's see question number 4. What is given? The value of 4 sin cube 60 sin square 60 plus 3 tan square 30 minus 8 sin 45 into cos 40. Just have to put the value, table values. Question number 4. You have to find out the value of 4 sin square 60 plus 3 tan square 30 minus 8 sin 45 into cos 45. Here sin 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square, because sin square given. 3 tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square minus 8 sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 5 is also 1 by root 2. After that, root 3 whole square is how much? 3. 2 whole square is 4. 3 by 4. This is 3 into 1 by 3 minus 8. 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2. Root 2 into root 2, 2. 4, 4 cancel. 3 cancel. Finally, you are getting here 3 plus 1. It will go by 4. 3 plus 1 minus 4. Means 4 minus 4 equal to coming 0. In this one, number 3 also completed. Sorry, number 4 completed. Let us go number 5. Just see. Number 5. Question number 5, what is given? Sin 2a is equal to 0. Sin 2a minus 1 equal to 0. Then a equal to find out. So what is given here? Given sin 2a minus 1 equal to 0. That means sin 2a is equal to how much? 1. Taking minus on that side. Sin 2a, sin how much? 1. Sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Means you have to replace 1 by sin 90. Comparing both sides, 2a is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, a will be how much? A will be 90 by 2, that is 45 degree. 90 by 2, this should be 45 degree. In this question of 5 also complete. Last question I am doing, that is question number 6. See what is given question number 6. It is given tan theta plus cos theta equal to 2. Given tan theta plus cos theta is equal to 2. It is given. And you have to find out, to find the value of tan square theta plus cos square theta. This value you have to find out. So what is given here? In this question, what is given and what you have to find out? Just to follow. Tan theta plus cos theta equal to 2. It is given and you have to find out the value of tan square theta plus cos square theta. Just see how to solve. You have to take the help of given part. Now, tan theta plus cos theta is equal to 2. It is given. Squaring both sides. What will get? A plus b whole square formula, that will be tan square theta plus cos square theta, a square plus b square plus 2 tan theta into cos theta equal to 2 whole square is how much? 4. So finally getting tan square theta plus cos square theta. The tan into cot is 1. Tan theta into cot theta 1, that will become 2. 2 you take that side. That means 4 minus 2 is how much? 2. So what is the answer? The answer is tan square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 2. In this way, this question also complete. Last question, number 6. This multiple choice question you have to explain in this way. Thank you for today's class. Next day I do more sum. Try to practice these sums for your coming annual exam. Thanks.